Be, dito ka!
Look at me, look at me.
Ate, tingnan mo yung Barney. Ang galing.
Nakapagpero ako dami.
Tagalog.
Nasa na yung
Tagalog si Barney.
Mukhang okay na ang pares ng sapatos mong yan.
Ay, hindi niya buhos eh.
Oo nga.
Ya, kadiri ka.
Bilis, magkaunga tayo.
Ba't ganun? Nairuta si Kayla.
Hindi ko naman kailangan ng dancing shoes na yun, hindi ba?
Ang isang magaling naman ay
Bakit naman nila tinagalog?
hindi magiging hadlang kahit puro sapato.
Salamat.
Sabi ni Ate Nancy, pinapanood daw yung Channel 5 lagi, na SpongeBob.
Ano bang
Nag-alter daw siya Tagalog, di daw matutunan ng English na naman ng Nathaniel.
tutulungan tayo ng ating kaibigan. I'm so happy you're the one that's here today having fun.
Parang nilipos ni Barney yun.
Whatever we do, it's better with a friend like you. Everything's better with a friend. Everything's better with a friend.
Nice, Kyle. Nice. Kyle, bad trip ka na, be? Ano, dudans naman.
Pretending whatever we do, it's better with a friend like you. Pretending whatever we do, it's better with a friend like you.
Oh. Wala na. Kyle, bebe. Pogi Marian, no. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Marunong na yan eh. Bye-bye. 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 Bye, Kyle. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Alam na binibidyo.